It is used today as a text-based data format for exchanging structured data. It was originally developed to replace HTML because HTML had reached its limits in data technology. Markup languages like HTML or XML use markers to structure text. In HTML, there is a fixed set of markers inside angle brackets, such as headings and paragraphs. XML uses the same structure, but the number of markers is not limited and their names are freely selectable. This makes it easy to create many types of data structures. The only rules are that markers must always start with an opening tag and end with a closing tag. The only exception is a tag with a slash at the end. To show nested information, you can define new tags inside an open tag. You can also add parameters to each tag. A parameter must have a name and a value, and the value must be in quotes even if it is a number. For example, when describing a collection of cars, parameters are useful. Now let us look at the advantages of using XML files. They are widely used and therefore compatible with many applications. They are secure. The text files are easy to read, so information is easy to recover. Both humans and machines can understand them easily. The structure is simple, so many users can learn it quickly. XML can also be extended through dialects. The only real disadvantage is that text files use more memory than binary files. Binary formats like BSON take less space, but are not human readable. Because XML is text-based and easy to read, it is used for many purposes. One common use is data exchange, like importing and exporting data in applications. This is very valuable for data scientists. It is also easy to import XML into Python and work with it like a dictionary. Many applications have created their own XML dialect. For example, Mathematical Markup Language is a dialect used to show mathematical equations. To edit XML files in Python, you can use different modules. You can keep the original structure of the XML, or you can convert it into a Python dictionary. Many developers find it easier to work with a dictionary. XML has been around since the late 1990s and is still important for data exchange on the internet. Its dominance has been challenged in recent years, but it still has advantages. Many large companies continue to use XML in healthcare, finance, and government. JSON is a lighter format that is popular for web applications, but XML has stronger support for namespaces and more tools. XML often works with other technologies like XSLT for transforming data, XBath for navigation, and XQuery for queries. As new technologies like the semantic web appear, XML may find new uses. The World Wide Web Consortium keeps updating the XML standard, so XML continues to adapt to the needs of the web. To sum up, XML stands for Extensible Markup Language. It is a text-based format for exchanging structured data. Because it is text-based, it is easy to read and understand. It can be adapted to different use cases through dialects.